Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm looking like a rat right now. I'm looking crazy, but I don't care, girl, because this is gonna be. I'm gonna be doing my maintenance. I'm getting my hair done today. These lashes gotta go. Daughter's acting crazy. We're in her room right now, and I'm gonna make another YouTube video of me decorating her room because right now it's a work in progress. We're sitting at her little table and chairs. I understand her TV should not be on the floor, but I ordered the stand and it should be coming today, so we're gonna get that put up. I'm getting off topic. Right now we're just eating our breakfast. I'm eating just some like eggs, and my daughter's just eating some hash browns. With toddlers, you just kind of have to give them more. After we finish eating our breakfast, I have to go to the bank, and then we're gonna go from there. Oh my gosh, y'all, she ate my hair down. Like, yeah, but real shit, she really ate. Like, oh my god. Y'all, this hair is from A-Shine too. It's pretty bomb. My hair is like kind of too light. Anyway, y'all, so hair done. I'm about to get my lashes done in 2 days, period, because they look crazy right now. I need a fill for my nails. Look at them, y'all. And can y'all believe I went to a nail? Oh, hold on. Can y'all believe I went to a nail shop for these? Like, I'm about to start doing that because I just hate making appointments and shit. Like, I must just pull up whenever I feel like it. Yes, oh my gosh, she slayed. So now I'm gonna go to Target just to be seen. No, I'm just like, I actually have stuff I need to do, so I'll see you at Target. Filming in public is so embarrassing. Guys, should I try this? I can do it. I want this powder. The girl sits in the back. She just wanted to look. I'm like, look at this. Yo, I don't care what anyone says. This is like one of the best powders. Because I like it really, really light. And now it's really light.
Ooh.
Told me like I could just cellophane it, like the leave out, and she'll redo it. But right now I'm warming my baby up some pizza from earlier. I could not record in Target, like I just couldn't do it. Give you guys a Target haul. I'm gonna give this to her first. Okay, Target haul. I spent more than I wanted to. I needed a new body scrub. I always use body scrubs. This one is one of my favorites. It reminds me of Sol de Janeiro or whatever. It's the tropical glow one from Tree Hut. And the reason I even went there is because I needed a new Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I don't know, I saw this makeup artist say that this is like one of her favorite foundations. So I'm like, girl, let me test that theory. I don't want to be using NARS every single day. Like, I just want like a cheaper one to like, I don't know. And then I like a really, really light, bright under eye. You guys will see when I do my makeup. So I saw this. I don't know. I was like, let me try it. I think it was only $4.99 or something. It's the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. And usually I don't like banana powder because it's like super yellow, but this looks white. I got this e.l.f. brow lift. I never tried it. A lot of people like it. Needed a new, what is this called again? Beauty blender. I got this Milani concealer because I needed a new, I'm telling you, all my products are looking dark on me and I like a light under eyes. I just got some jasmine rice. 64.22, girl. Good afternoon. I haven't recorded since last night. I look crazy, but I'm craving Indian food. So I've been craving it for a long time, honestly. So that's what I'm gonna go get, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna get. I already called them and ordered it, but I'm also gonna go to the store because my friend is coming here and she always be telling me to cook for her. This is my fit. I'm just wearing this what do you call this, like a one piece or jumpsuit? I don't know, it's just hard for me to record in public. I get embarrassed, so I don't even know if I'm gonna record, but I'm gonna get the food and bring it back here anyway. But I have to go there, go to the store, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, I just finished at the store. I just couldn't record, I don't know. Finished at the store, and then I also just got the Indian food. It was really yummy. I took a long time to come get it, so I feel like it's not gonna be like that hot. But okay, I'm gonna zoom home and then show you guys what I got. Oh wait. Let me drive. I'll see you guys at home. I gotta move all this stuff. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna show you what we got for the Indian food. Garlic naan. Duh. Like, you have to get this. Buttered chicken. Bomb. And it comes with the rice, obviously. And veggie samosas. Gave us the chutneys, the green one and the tamarind one. Time to show you a haul of what we got from the store. I got some ground beef, rigatoni noodles. I got some of this like canned Parmesan. It'd be fire to just like put on top. Heavy whipping cream, tomato paste, and then I got a box of Gatorades because I want to have something to drink. This is actually spicy. I don't know if it's like this sauce or what. Something is spicy. But yeah, I'm gonna cook this food. I don't think I'm gonna record it because I don't know. We'll see. Y'all, when I tell you this Indian food is bomb. I think I'm gonna heat it up though. It's bomb. Yeah. So good. With the sauce on it. Can you try that?
Hey.
Yes, ma'am. But let's cook. Hey y'all, good morning / afternoon. I'm just hanging out with my friend yesterday, so I didn't record. But I just got ready. I'm about to go get my lashes done. Oh, I'm about to go get my lashes done. As you can see, baby, where are they? My baby was being. Say hi, little baby. I don't know if I'm gonna do her hair or not, but I'm about to get my lashes done, and then I want to get my toes done, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that today. But we'll see. Here, mascara. Little plum bag. I'll talk to you in the 3 days later. Hey y'all, so we are in the car. I got her ready. She looks so cute. Say hi, mommy. Right now, I'm still going to my lash appointment, but we stopped at Wendy's because I wasn't supposed to bring her. But you know how that shit goes. I have to bring her, and like I just want to get her like some fries or something, like just to distract her. I don't really like getting her stuff like this, but you know, in times like this I have to. So I brought her iPad and some fries to see, you know, if that'll keep her busy for a little bit, because my daughter is almost 2 years old now. She likes to be just like in line right now, and I think I'm gonna get like a little burger, just like something to munch on, you know. Let me order real quick. Oh my god, I totally forgot to record yesterday, but I got my lashes done. Now I'm at my filler appointment. I'm gonna get a little lip filler. I'm scared. In Beverly Hills on Wilshire Boulevard. I just parked my car, so let's see. God, I'm nervous. Okay. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Let me fix this.
I have these here. They were brought from the manufacturer. Someone went a little crazy with it. This is Versa. So this is the one that's a little bit thicker.
Okay.
That's the consistency of that filler.
Oh, it is good. So like with your lips be longer or like?
Yes.
Okay.
And then this is Kiss. This is what I have in my lips.
Okay. Oh, I like that.
I have 3 syringes in my lips. So
You
just
do?
so you know, they're not big. So one syringe is going to give you a pout. It's going to be perfect.
Okay.
But if you do half, we also don't recommend halves because halves are meant for touch-ups.
Okay.
So one syringe gives them the opportunity to basically inject along the rim, the lining of your lips, and then add some here too. Because that's when people go wrong. They start injecting just here, and then they get big and they look like sausage lips.
Yeah. Okay.
That makes the actual brand Botox. Okay. So it's basically, you know, because it's popular, because it was the first in the market.
Thank you.
Thank you, and then we're gonna get you numbed.
Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ambassador's great.
You like that one? Okay.
Yeah, and it like slims your face too, which is really nice.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah, it makes a world of a difference. Helps with migraines.
Really? Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm talking so weird because
No,
my lip.
you're fine. I know, everybody feels that way. I'll show you. Here's our full syringe. We'll kind of go like 80% of the way, and then once we get to that point, then I'll show you. We'll take a break. We'll see if you want to add more anywhere.
Relaxed. Little pinch. 1, 2.
Just walked out of Sykesville, put 2,000 on my feet. I'm a motherfucking boss. It's gonna come.
Hey guys, my camera is literally about to die, and I'm at Marathon Burger, but I just want to show you. My lips came out so cute. I ended up getting a lip flip as well because she said that my top lip turns downward. So like, look. It's so freaking cute. They're swollen right now, but I don't know. I think they're cute right now. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm probably gonna record later because my phone's about. I mean, not my phone. My camera is about to die, but she ate like. And then they gave me like a little ice pack, and then I bought this. It was $40, but it's supposed to like help me to not bruise, and I'm not trying to have bruised lips. Like that's not cute. So it's like a Arnica lip filler post treatment like little gloss, and I'll be using this for a long time because girl, I want them to heal perfectly. So I bought that too, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.